Hey everybody, Warden here at Mike's Off-Road. Today we're looking at a 2020 Toyota Tacoma that we've done some really cool accessories on. We do a ton of this stuff on these Tacomas. There's an ARB front bumper, and we put an Old Man Emu leveling lift kit on it. Both these products are made by ARB. They're both really high quality. This front bumper is actually one of the only aftermarket bumpers you can get that's crash rated. It's actually designed to fold and have the same characteristics as the stock bumper. It's also set up to take all sorts of front end accessories. You can put fog lights, put a winch, light bar, anything that you want to throw on this bumper you can. The lift kit is also really nice. Lifts the truck up couple inches, allows you to put a bigger tire on. Obviously this truck doesn't have aftermarket wheels and tires on it, but now with the front bumper on that it has on it, you could put a bigger wheel, bigger tire, get some nice all-terrains, off-road tires, and get you wherever you need to go. So a front bumper is a great place to start with your truck because it'll really help it to stand out going down the road. Also, it will offer a lot more protection than a stock bumper. Here in Montana, you see a lot of deer, you see a lot of elk on the road. If you hit something with a bumper like this on your truck, it's going to cause a lot less damage than it would to your stock truck. In addition to giving it a lot different lines than the stock bumper, the black of the bumper looks really good with just about any colored truck that you have. And you can get bumpers for any model of truck. This is not specifically just a Toyota. So you got a Dodge, you got a Ford, you got a Chevy. We can put the front bumpers on. There's a whole bunch of different styles out there. ARB makes a whole bunch of different bumpers, Fab 4s. There's a lot of options out there to really start customizing the front of your truck, making it look good. So come on down here to Mike's Off-Road. We can get you anything you need for your truck to make it look good. Front bumpers, rear bumpers, lights, lift kits, anything that you need or want to put on your truck, we can put it on for you.